And then now go to software. This one is don't worry, just close. After you can see here for control the machine, your laser machine, and then I want to show you some setting you need to do with the ARM2 controller. Just click on here and check the main board is here. If your laser main board is ARM2, you need to click ARM2. If your laser the size your laser, you can change here. If your size 40 or 400 millimeter and 100 millimeter, you can change. Follow your laser and then just apply and OK. This place is don't worry. And then if you use you need from millimeter, you choose millimeter. For me it choose millimeter. And then you need to go to window and you need to go to object and check here object property, and object manager is very important for use this two tool. This one you can close, and this one is very important, object manager. So the object manager can you can make many layer, see, layer by layer. If you select this layer, you draw, okay, it's in the layer. If you click on this layer, you draw in this layer. Everything is made by the layer and layer. So for this icon, for use when you want to print or engraving or cut, you need open. Like this is opening, this is close or opening, the same. If you close this line and open this line, when you want to cut this icon for cut, this icon for engraving. So I click on the cut first, and the cut will show you here. If you want to move, like just like this, move, okay. I think I put the size is wrong, and if you want to change, just go to property and then move to 600 and 400 is placed, and apply and OK. Your size is very big, like your machine, okay. And if you want to move, this one cannot move, this one cannot move, this one cannot move. This place you can move. Your mouse on the object, you can move. And the speed, you need to control the speed when you cut. Cutting around from 10 or 20, you can test with the power. This software cannot control the power, just control the speed of the laser only. And this place, you can move a little bit, like if you want to move 1 millimeter, 110, it will move 10. Right, okay. So I close this one, is not show, and if I want to cut this one, it will show all. I turn on, so it's show all. If I want engraving, this I want engraving, I put on, click on engraving. Okay. For engraving, you need to change the pixel. For pixel, you can change 1, 2, 3 or 4. You can test by yourself, and the power just use only a little bit, around 8 10 or 20 or 30 or 50. You can test first before you use the real on the object. I think you will understand and easy to use when you try many times, because this software before I learn about from internet and learn about myself and test by myself on the computer on the software directly, and I find many before I meeting many problem. Okay, for the cutting on this one you can use for design. If you have the design ready for picture, you need to go to file and click on import. This one for picture or photo, and you have file drawing SVG or DWG. DWG cannot support but can support the old version of the AutoCAD. But if you want to cut, I recommend you to use file DHF. DHF is very easy. Many cutting I use DHF for cut. Let me try this one. If you open the file, it will ask you need to check the scale on 1:1 is the same. Okay, the size is the same you design. Okay, if you want to cut in the layer, you can check this all the line in the layer. If you want make only one line, just click and combine. If you want break some line, you can click and then break curve apart. I try again. Click, right click and break curve apart. So you can delete some line. I delete like this line, we can delete when it's apart. Some tool I want to tell you, like tick. For tick I say hello. The size you can control here, and I change. For you want to change, click right click here and click on the millimeter, and I click and change the size. If you want to change the size is normal, don't forget use this for lock, and try is 100. It's also big. Some font is not work. If you make sure your you want the font like this is working, just right click on the text and then convert to curve. Okay, convert to curve is only line. One more thing, if you don't want to see the hatch color inside the some object, you can view. Just click on view and click on the waveframe. Sorry, it's the waveframe. Everything is no hatch on inside. So easy for cutting. For engraving is not the same. You click on the normal is easy. And this you can change the view what you want, and your view what you want, and waveform. One more thing, if you connect to your laser, this place is so, and just click on reset, click on here, and then the machine is go back to the home position. You can test like this for machine work or not with your computer or PC. Okay, for the tutorial for control machine with the software correlator is so easy with tool. If you have any problem, don't forget feedback from me. Thank you for watching this video. I will make more for easy understand.